Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Minded, where we make learning English simple and fun. Today, we're going to play a quick synonym challenge. I'll ask you a question like, which word means the same as big? You'll get 3 options. Try to guess the correct answer before I reveal it. Ready? Let's begin! Which word means the same as big? A. Small, B. Large, C. Thin. The correct answer is large. Example sentence, that's a large house near the river. Which word means the same as happy? A. Sad, B. Angry, C. Joyful. The correct answer is joyful. Example sentence, she felt joyful after hearing the good news. Which word means the same as fast? A. Quick, B. Slow, C. Heavy. The correct answer is quick. Example sentence, the quick fox ran across the field. Which word means the same as smart? A. Clever, B. Lazy, C. Boring. The correct answer is clever. Example sentence, he's a clever student who always gets top marks. Which word means the same as angry? A. Calm, B. Furious, C. Sleepy. The correct answer is furious. Example sentence, she was furious when she saw the broken vase. Which word means the same as beautiful? A. Ugly, B. Pretty, C. Plain. The correct answer is pretty. Example sentence, the garden looks pretty in the morning sunlight. Which word means the same as easy? A. Difficult, B. Simple, C. Hard. The correct answer is simple. Example sentence, the test was simple for everyone in the class. Which word means the same as rich? A. Poor, B. Wealthy, C. Cheap. The correct answer is wealthy. Example sentence, the wealthy businessman owns many companies. Which word means the same as brave? A. Scared, B. Cowardly, C. Courageous. The correct answer is courageous. Example sentence, the firefighter was courageous during the rescue. Which word means the same as begin? A. Start, B. End, C. Stop. The correct answer is start. Example sentence, let's start the meeting now. Awesome job, everyone! How many did you get right? Tell me your score in the comments below. I'd love to see how you did. If you enjoyed this synonym challenge, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you won't miss any new lessons from English Minded. Thanks for watching, and keep learning English every day with English Minded.